and welcome pet lovers around the world. One of Amaryllo's awesome features is the ability to detect pets, so you can make sure they're safe and sound while you're away from home. To enable this function, go to the toolbar and tap on Settings, then go into AI recognition, and if you're a dog owner like me, tap on Dog Detection. Your phone will then notify you whenever your camera detects your pet, and the alerts can be viewed in notifications. Thanks to the two-way communication, you can easily hear and talk to your pet whenever you like.
Roxy, come drink some water.
Feel like you're right there with them. With Amaryllo cameras, you will know exactly what your pet is up to. Never miss another precious moment with your beloved pets. To learn more about this feature, please visit our website.